Hi, my name is Muhammad Naim, and my friend Hazim will talk about the impact of Industry 4.0 on supply chain management. Definition of Industry 4.0 in supply chains is a smart manufacturing management tool that integrates production and operation with smart digital expertise, big data, and machine learning to create a complete and well-connected ecosystem for supply chain companies. The impact of Industry 4.0 on supply chains is greater transparency and accuracy. Global supply chains can involve thousands of suppliers operating within the supply chain economy of a company. In such case, ensuring end-to-end transparency and real-time asset tracking is crucial. Any gaps in supply chain risk management can lead to supply chain disruption, lost sales, and unnecessary costs. Going digital enables companies to track the entire supply chains in real time, such as finding out the exact location of goods. Advanced solution easily track inventory by combining updates from supply chains partner with IoT data. This improves order accuracy and ATA, enhance load and batch control, optimize inventory, and lower associated costs. Next impact is greater agility. Advanced supply chain solutions integrate data from supplier, service provider, and etc. in supply chain cloud, ensuring that all stakeholders take decisions based on the same fact. Such end-to-end real-time visibility will enable to respond more swiftly to disruption in real time and minimize risk. Also, the emergence of supply chains as a service will increase agility significantly.
Thank you, Muhammad Naim, for explaining about the definition and one of the point about the impact of Industry 4.0 on supply chain. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hazim Zikri bin Saiful Azwan. My matrix number is 07DLS221F1039. And today I'm going to explain about one of the impact of Industry 4.0 on supply chain management. The impact of Industry 4.0 on the supply chain management. Firstly, a very important technology is the miniaturization of electronics, which means the manufacturing of smaller mechanical, optical, and electronic products and devices. It is a main enabler for the automatic identification and data collection, in short form AIDC, and radio frequency identification RFID technologies, which help to collect, manage, and analyze data within transportation processes in the supply chain. In fact, AIDC and RFID technologies belong to the so-called embedded systems. These are microprocessor-based systems which are built into physical products to control a function or a range of functions. On the other hand, the field of robotics is closely related to the miniaturization of electronics as well, as it is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Business intelligence, or BI in short form, is often referred to as the techniques, technologies, systems, practices, methodologies, and applications that analyze critical business data to help an enterprise better understand its business and market and make timely business decisions. Based on the BI technology, the concept of a smart factory increases the information transparency and enables the autonomous control of a manufacturing facility. When pay-per-use licensing is applied within smart factories, pricing is based on the actual amount of the used software, measured in units of use, such as the number of users or the number of transactions. The term of the smart factory includes the concept of smart logistics, which describes the 4.0 technologies and IT infrastructure elements, which fall under the term business intelligence or BI, will impact the supply chain activities through cost reduction opportunities and increase of the process transparency. Furthermore, processes will be more digital and technological, where the company's personnel are able to acquire and share information, especially procurement processes can be optimized, as suppliers can be fully flexible and autonomously chosen by specific software. Smartphone apps, as described in Chapter 4, will have an impact on the organization of the supply chain activities from a technological perspective as well. In future, each employee will be equipped with this kind of mobile devices, interact with colleagues, perform time management, and execute specific activities in the manufacturing processes with the smartphone. Specific apps will be created to enhance the efficiency of the production processes. An example, track and trace system of specific product components, or by assisting software for the human. A leading industry which is already including the smartphone apps within its supply chain is the medical industry. With this analysis, we come to the following hypothesis. If companies implement Industry 4.0 technologies and concepts, the supply chain will mostly undergo a technological change, and mainly with respect to the procurement, production, and distribution processes. The biggest influence will arise from the BI technologies, smartphone apps, AIDC, and RFID technologies, and the miniaturization of electronics. The smallest organizational changes are to be expected from the variable people, despite the sales processes where interactions with customers will face a huge impact from Industry 4.0 technologies. The other supply chain activities will remain the same. We continue to the summary. Based on a structured literature review, we were able to understand that current research with respect to the term Industry 4.0 is limited to specific qualitative and quantitative analysis of technologies and their implementation. We came to the conclusion that in total 15 out of 49 identified technologies and concepts are of high importance. We furthermore contributed to the research by developing and applying a management model that provides a holistic management perspective on challenges and potentials arising from the implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies within the organization. This model combines two theories, the theory of organizational change by LEAVITT and the supply chain activities model by MEYR and WAGNER. This is it from me and my friend Muhammad Naim presented about impact of Industry 4.0 on supply chain management. Thank you.